Hey, I'm plugging 4C Only's leave-in conditioner today. I absolutely love the deep conditioner, but I'm out of it and I won't buy the bundle. But I'm a stylist, so I'm a little bit different. I want to tell you a couple of great things about this product. It is super duper slippery, which I love for a leave-in. It's soft, it does soften the hair, but most of all, what I think is valuable for is when you want to get tangles out of the hair for a leave-in, particularly if you're doing a little girl's hair or you're trying to comb through, brush through for everyday styling. It's great for that. Love this particular product. I also want a big old giant size of that deep conditioner so I can use it in salon. I know selling bundles is a thing, and I'm not mad at you 4C Only because you actually hand make your products. Handmade, vegan, cruelty-free. You get all the points for that. But, no but. And there is a case for making, for not all the products, but for some of the products, a size that is, say, 32 ounce, triple, quadruple the product size, because your margins go up. And then we, not only just we as consumers, but we as hairstylists, have a size that we can use of a product that we absolutely love. So just think about it, Bundling works, but so does increasing the product size of your deep conditioner and your leave-in. Thanks in advance.